So recently I just got my hands on a budget pair of IEMs costing just under $20. These are the CCA Xyrras. In this video, I'm gonna unbox them, test them out, and tell you guys if they're actually worth buying. Let's get into the video. The IEMs come in two different colors, titanium black and lunar silver. You can get them with a USB-C cable or a 3.5mm jack. There's also an optional microphone if you need it. You get the IEMs in this nice looking box with a good presentation. First thing you see are the IEMs and then the 3.5mm cable. You also get 3 pairs of silicone ear tips. The IEMs have a nice weight to them and feel great in the hand. The cable did have a funky smell, but that is to be expected with mass-produced cables. And don't worry, the smell does go away, so it's not that big of a deal. When it comes to build quality, the IEMs are made out of injected plastic with a nice metal cover. Given the cover is metal, it does attract fingerprints quite easily. The cable feels nice, but it is prone to getting tangled. The shape provides a nice comfortable fit, and the additional silicone ear tips allow you to get the best fit possible. I did mention they have a bit of weight to them, which for me wasn't that big of a deal, but do keep that in mind when you're buying them. Now moving on to the most important part, the sound. When it comes to sound, the specifications are good. The IEMs have an impedance of 27 ohms, meaning you won't need an amplifier to make these IEMs loud. They have a sensitivity of 110 decibels, meaning if you turn the audio up just a bit, they will get very loud. They also have a wide frequency range, anywhere from 20 Hz all the way up to 20 kHz. The IEMs can play every note in a song, everything from the deep sub bass all the way up to the highest whistles. The IEMs produce great sub bass. You can really feel the rumble in your head. The bass itself is also delivered immediately, giving it a nice punch. The mids have a nice separation, with the vocals being very natural and easy to understand. You can hear the tiny details, even guitar strings being plucked. I will say if you turn the audio very loud, the highs do start to sound like metal rubbing together. The overall sound is quite bright and it might make your ears very tired after long listening sessions. But you can avoid this quite easily by just not pumping up the volume too loudly. Overall, these IEMs produce nice and clear sound, but I will say they do have quite a narrow soundstage. You can hear the guitars on your right and the drums on your left perfectly, whilst everything in the front and back does feel a bit squished in your face. Now I did also test them out with gaming. If you like playing action-adventure games, RPGs and open-world games, these earphones perform very well. The bass these IEMs produce make everything more immersive and more epic. I will say when it comes to shooters and FPS games, these are a bit of a hit or miss. You can easily pinpoint the location of enemies on your left and right. However, because the soundstage is so narrow, it's hard to pinpoint how far away something is. This is an audio test of the Xyrras optional microphone, which you can get on the cable. Peter Piper picked a pack of pickled peppers. Does it sound good? Tell me down in the comments. Now let's move on to the pros and cons of these IEMs. Let's start off with the pros. The price makes these IEMs affordable to a vast array of people. Given the price, they also produce very detailed sound. The comfort and fit is also very great for long listening sessions, and the clarity they produce to a certain volume is very great. For the cons, the sound does get a bit muddy at higher volumes, the included cable is prone to getting tangled, and the narrow soundstage does make it hard to play things like FPS games and shooters. In conclusion, if you have a budget of around $20, these are a very solid option. They produce a nice and balanced sound with great bass and mids. The build quality and comfort also make the entire listening experience a lot more enjoyable. If you want to buy these IEMs for yourself, CCA has kindly provided a link which I'll put in the description on where to buy them. If you enjoyed this video, go check out some of my other stuff. And with that being said, I'll see you guys next time.